Let's convert fractions and decimals to their percent form. Any fraction or decimal number can be written in percent form. For example, I will use the fraction 3/4 as represented below in the box. I have separated into 4 equal sections. I have shaded 3 of those sections. From past lessons, you may remember that to change a fraction to a decimal, you will use division. So if you take 3 and divide it by 4, you will have the decimal number 0.75. You know this number can be read 75 hundredths, and that 3/4 equals 75 hundredths. Now, to change the decimal into a percent, we will multiply it by 100. 75 hundredths times 100 equals 75%. Only after you multiply by 100 can you write the percent symbol after the number. Let's try another fraction. Here I have represented the fraction 9/25. We will change this fraction into a decimal using division. 9 divided by 25 equals 0.36. You know this decimal is read 36 hundredths. We are going to change this decimal into its percent form by multiplying by 100. When we multiply by 100, we get 36%. You can notice from the box below that when we compared 9 to 25, it was the same as comparing 36 to 100. Therefore, 9/25 is equal to 36 hundredths, which is equal to 36%. Now, let's try converting from the percent form into the decimal and fraction form of a number. The box below shows us 82% shaded. We can change that to its decimal form by taking 82 and dividing it by 100. 82 divided by 100 is the decimal 82 hundredths. 82 hundredths equals 82%. Now, let's change our decimal form back to a fraction. How we do that is by reading. Read the decimal with its place value, 82 hundredths. Write it, 82 hundredths, and reduce. Reduce 82 100ths to 41 50ths. So 41 50ths equals 82 hundredths, which equals 82%. In the box below, you can clearly see that out of every 50 squares, 41 are shaded. Out of 100 squares, 82 are shaded. 82% of the box is shaded. Let's try converting from a percent form directly to a fraction form. In the box below, I have shaded 4% of the squares. 4% literally means 4 per 100. I can reduce this fraction to 1 25th. By looking at the box below, you can see that in each group of 25 squares, there is one shaded square. One shaded square per 25 is 1/25. Together, there are 4 shaded squares out of a box of 100 squares, 4 100ths. 4 100ths literally means 4%. Now, let's take the fraction 7/20ths, represented below, as every 20 squares has 7 shaded squares, and we will convert this directly to percent. First, we'll take our fraction 7/20ths and write an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 100. 20 times 5 is 100. 7 times 5 is 35. Remember, the percent literally means per 100. So now we may write 35 per 100 as 35%.